Hello students, welcome to geography class. Today we'll discuss chapter number 3, population composition from unit 2nd. Let's discuss what is population composition. Population composition refers to the structure of population. It means population composition is the description of population according to characteristics such as age and sex. Sex means male or female. Sometimes you have noticed while filling any form, there have been mentioned that what is your sex? Means are you male or female? These data are often compared over time using population pyramids. We have used population pyramids to explain population. Population composition. Let's explain it in easy words. Population composition refers to the structure of population. It helps to know the number of males or females, means sex we are talking about, their age groups, literacy, their occupation, their income level, their health condition, etc. Here I have given more definition of population composition. Age and gender are the key indicators of population composition. This is your 1 mark question, that what are the key indicators of population compositions. What are population pyramids? These are the graphic description of population by percentage in each age group divided by gender. Let's discuss sex composition in detail. The number of women and men in a country is important demographic characteristics. Demographic, you have already read this word in your 2nd chapter related to population. When we study about population, then we use this word demographic. The ratio between the number of women and men in population is called sex ratio. In some countries, it is calculated by using this formula. Male population over female population multiply by 1000, or the number of males per 1000 females. But in India, different formula is used. We divide female population by male population multiply by 1000, or we can say that number of females per 1000 males. This page has been taken from NCERT book. I have underlined some important points. So please read all these important points carefully. These underlined lines are very important. Please read it carefully. Natural advantage versus social disadvantages. Now come to this box. Females have a biological advantage over males as they tend to be more resilient than males. Yet, this advantage is cancelled out by the social disadvantages and discrimination that they face. Here, resilient means strong to deal with illness or a shock or a change, because women are considered as strong to deal with any kind of shock or change. Age structure, it presents the number of people of different age groups. This is an important indicator of population composition. Since the large size of population in the age group of 15 to 59 indicates a large working population. This one. A greater proportion of population above 60 years presents an aging population which requires more expenditure on health care facilities. Because in old age, people need more health facilities to keep them healthy or fit. Similarly, high proportion of young population would mean that the region has high birth rate. Young population means under the age of 15. It is possible only then when there is high birth rate and population is youthful. Age-sex pyramid. The age-sex structure of population refers to the number of female and males in different age groups. Combined, these two are combined now. They have mentioned the number of female and males in different age groups. A population pyramid is used to show age structure of population. I'll show you the pyramids in this video. The shape of the population pyramid reflects the characteristics of the population. It means the shape is different according to the characteristics of the population of any country. The left side of the population pyramid shows the percentage of males, while the right side of the pyramid shows the percentage of women in the age group. So here, this is the first type of population pyramid known as expanding population. The age-sex pyramid of Nigeria. This is of Nigeria. This is given in NCERT book. As you can see, is a triangular shaped pyramid with a wide base and is typical of less developed countries. These have larger population in lower age groups due to high birth rate. If you construct the pyramid for Bangladesh and Mexico, it would look like the same because in Bangladesh and Mexico, there is also high birth rate. See here, this is the percentage it has been shown and this is the age group. If you notice that the age from 0 to 4, here there are more number of children as it is or as the age is increasing, this the shape of this pyramid is changing like this, means the number of males and number of female is decreasing. This left side, it is showing the population of male, and this right side, this is it is showing the population of female. Next, constant population. Constant population means when there is negligible change in population. Means neither it is increasing nor it is decreasing. This is the age-sex pyramid of Australia. This is bell-shaped and tapered toward the top. See here, tapered toward the top. This shows birth and death rates are almost equal, leading to the constant population. Constant means it is not changing. Declining population pyramid. This is the pyramid of Japan according to 2003. Japan pyramid has narrow base and tapered top showing low birth and death rate. The population growth in developed countries is usually zero or negative. In developed countries, here population growth is zero. It means birth rate is almost stopped. or in negative. The important definition: aging population. What is the meaning of aging population? Aging population is the process by which the share of older population, means above 59 years, becomes proportionally larger when older people are in a large proportion. This is a new phenomena of 20th century. In most of the developed countries of the world, the population in higher age groups has increased due to increased life expectancy. We have already discussed in my previous videos what is life expectancy. Please see those videos. With a reduction in birth rate, the proportion of children in the population has declined. It means if birth rate is less and the older people are getting more health facilities and the rate of life expectancy has increased, that is known as aging population. Rural urban composition. The division of population into rural and urban is based on their residence. This division is necessary because rural and urban lifestyles differ from each other in terms of their livelihood and social conditions. The CH-3 occupational structure, density of population, and level of development vary between rural and urban areas. Literacy. Proportion of literate population of a country is an indicator of its socio-economic development. First of all, if I ask you that what is literacy, who is known as literate person? The person who can read and write, that is known as literate person. And the proportion of literate people is the indicator of socioeconomic development of any country, as it reveals the standard of living. Social status of female means the status of female in that society is good or not. Availability of educational facilities, policies of government, level of economic development is both a cause or a consequences of literacy. In India, literacy rate denotes the percentage of population above 7 years of age who is able to read and write and have the ability to do arithmetic calculations with understanding. That person is known as literate person. Occupational structure. The working population, then women and men of the age group 15 to 59. This is working population, under working population. Take part in various occupations ranging from forestry, fishing, manufacturing, constructions, commercial, transport, services, communication, and other unclassified services. Here, I have mentioned occupational structure. We can divide it into these main four categories. We will study about all these activities in our next chapters. The first is agriculture sector, industrial sector, tertiary sector, quaternary sector. There is one more activity, that is quinary activity. Quinary activities are those activities which are highest paid activities. Let's discuss in detail The first one is agriculture. Forestry, fishing, mining are classified as primary activities, and manufacturing, that is known as secondary activities. Transport, communication, other services like teachers, doctors, these are known as tertiary activities. The jobs related to research and developing ideas, those are known as quaternary activities. The proportion of working population engaged in these four sectors is good indicator of the level of economic development of a nation. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much. We will meet again in next lecture. Till then, take care. Stay home, stay safe.